This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, August 13th. I'm James Spann, watching a surface boundary north of us that will bring an increase in showers and storms later today. Where will that thing stop? How far south will it go? That's up for debate, and a little tropical wave action maybe for the weekend. Let's get in there and take a look. We'll check some of the Skycam shots around the network early this morning at the insane hour of 5 a.m. That's our Tuscaloosa Skycam. Had a big storm there last night. In fact, look at this image. That was from Skip Baumhauer. Skip's a professional photographer, but still, that is an amazing shot of lightning striking just on the east side of Bryant-Denny Stadium. There's the Inverness Skycam, pretty calm there, and there's the Alabama Gulf Coast. Could be kind of wet down there this weekend, especially Friday and Saturday with a tropical wave, but not a continuous total washout. And the heavier rains could be farther east, down toward Destin or Panama City. We'll explore that here in just a few moments. All right, there's that nice cool trough developing over the east. Hey, Silver Bay, Minnesota, 37 degrees this morning. And this is August 13th. Come on. Man, that is a preview of winter there. And that air should slip into North Alabama. In fact, almost all the models now do show dew points dropping down into the low 60s as far south as Birmingham by tomorrow evening. We'll take that. That's a radar this morning at 5:02. We're starting off the day with some showers and storms up over the northeastern corner of the state. Madison, Jackson, DeKalb counties. Flash flood watches today, parts of Oklahoma, Arkansas, Kansas, and also to the northeast of here. There could be some localized flooding issues, but I don't think we'll have it on a widespread basis. Severe weather possibilities later today. Got the standard slight risk on the middle Atlantic coast. In fact, I noted a tornado warning for parts of Maryland really early this morning. And then tomorrow, no formal risk, and notice how the strong storms are possible way down south as the dry air creeps in here. And really the same thing on Thursday. General storms confined to the southern, really third of Alabama. Here's the rain for the next 5 days. Bigger numbers from near Mobile, Pensacola, Panama City, Apalachicola, up through Georgia, and the coastal plain of the Carolinas. And that's with the potential of a tropical wave this weekend. And that's one reason we're thinking the weather could be relatively wet on the Gulf Coast, especially for the Florida Panhandle by Friday and Saturday. Tropics for now pretty quiet. A little wave in the Caribbean that bears watching. It's headed toward the Gulf. And deeper in the tropics, it is very quiet, mainly because of this. Look at all the dry air out there. The dust layer coming off the African deserts, keeping things calm at the moment. And quickly, a peek at our precipitable water values. Still very high all across the state. The higher values as of early this morning, where the amounts are 2 inches or greater, are from near Birmingham south, but even up in North Alabama, it's still very moist today. Let's look at modeling. This is the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon at 500 millibars. You can see the high amplitude pattern evolving there with a ridge in the west, the trough in the east, and down below that, the front slices in here. We'll expect to see showers and storms today. This is the high-res NAM at 5 o'clock this afternoon. It's got the bigger storms south of Interstate 20. And again, we'll just have to watch the radar trends. The model has not been performing very well lately. We think that any part of the state, even up in the Tennessee Valley, they could see showers and storms later today. Now, this is tomorrow at 1 o'clock. While we have seen some runs that bring in drier air, in fact, most of them do, for some reason, this run of the high-res NAM puts down showers up into North Alabama tomorrow. And again, I'm not so sure it's on it. I guess it's possible. We all know that drier air intrusions can be pretty hard to get down in here this time of the year. But on Thursday, it's got us pretty dry. This is Thursday afternoon at 1 o'clock, and it's basically rain-free. Yeah, we're still going to mention some risk of showers and storms every day, but tomorrow and maybe especially Thursday, the better chance could be very well to the south of here as the drier air moves into the northern half of the state. And again, the models are getting us down there in the mid-60s by early Thursday morning. The NAM is showing 65 with the dew point down towards 60. That'll be a nice little hint of fall if that can indeed happen. And here's Thursday off the GFS, and again, it's relatively dry for the northern half of the state. Now, Friday, we note that little surface low down there in the Gulf, south of Mobile Bay and Gulf Shores. and that's moving northeast. A little tropical wave. I don't think it'll be a well-defined storm or anything like that. Don't even think it'll be a depression, but it could bring some pretty heavy rain to the Gulf Coast region on Friday. And again, if you're beach-bound, just be aware of that. This is Saturday. Look at the deep trough axis west of the state. And down below that, with the trough axis being to the west, no doubt we'll have some chance of showers and storms around here on Saturday. And again, a tropical wave-type feature comes up into the Florida Panhandle. And with a wave, the heavier rain probably over Georgia and the Carolinas. We note the Canadian still goes kind of nuts, and it develops a tropical storm with this, but that is clearly an outlier, and that solution is rejected. Here's Sunday, and we stay in a moist air mass, so again, that would represent some chance of at least scattered showers and storms, not an all-day washout. Monday, pretty much the same deal, and this is Tuesday, a week from today. We've got an upper high developing down to the southeast of here and one off to the west, but still with the weakness, that would mean a chance of scattered showers and storms. This is August 28th, the end of the forecast. Heights are a tad higher here, but still lots of moisture and the chance of scattered showers and storms. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. And if you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News this evening on either the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.